for me.
Hey guys, I will show you play Dress to Impress Style Showdown.
Daddy's going to work now.
I'm gonna join Uni.
We're doing posing.
What?
Guys, they do.
It's me. Posing.
Let me do for you. Give.
You having cool stink, bruh. Sorry guys, sorry. You having cool stink. Wait. You must praise the stuff,
Praise?
please.
Yes.
Next one.
Wait, praise. Praise.
You winning.
Praise.
Yes, you didn't
Praise.
listen.
Praise.
You didn't even get a single miss.
Praise. Cause of me. Praise.
It's not because of you.
Praise.
I'm the one pressing.
Please. Because I'm the one telling you. Oh, and I know those guys.
Yeah, they're gonna say you because you did. So you didn't even get one miss.
So then we're going to the champion now.
Wow.
You didn't even get one miss. Wow,
Because of
brother.
me.
Okay, you got one cell.
Yes, I first.
You got one star.
Look, don't vote for that girl, huh? Must we vote here?
Oh guys, I'm glitching, yeah. Sorry for taking you guys there.
So you didn't think of your blood.
But
Yeah, the champion.
I made it to the grand finale. Good for you. Guys, leave the game. I'm gonna join.
Is this posing?
No, this is you must do style stinging.
I'm not pose.
No. Guys, leave the game. I'm joining. No. No, you didn't win. You pleading your case.
What does that mean?
You must do a pause.
Yo, glow.
Guys.
So if you do a bad pose, they won't want you.
Wait, I need to leave.
She's doing no pose.
I joined the real dating place where I was supposed to join stuff for them.
Glow God is not like it's not looking. Right? Just don't say you're dying to them. You want the big huh?
The people that
Hey Jesus!
the people that you eliminate that you didn't vote for, they're gonna vote if you must stay. Boring. Your stupid face saying boring.
Look at they all vote for you for me.
Exit won. How much did you? What did you win?
Did you guys ever win?
I did win once. I only won.
Don't play with me, take economy, gonna see you like the cover the coffee.
The girl is crying.
Coffee in the cup for me. Okay? Yes, they don't play. Take.
Yeah, go in the block, guys.
Look. I wanna first time with you.
Are you in the block? I'm in the block. Don't exit.
Where's Logan?
She's there. Don't you see her jumping there?
He's so slow.
Zoom out. There she. Logan, where are you? There she. She's running around. Tell her for what's
I finally won a style showdown.
I won only once.
Mama said I won.
She won 3 times.
I'm better than you.
Who?
You.
But where are we gonna get our collections?
But this is my first time playing. Shut up a bit. She's jealous that I
I'll vote
beat
for
her.
you guys.
Huh?
It's kind of old vote.
I don't vote.
Sorry.
Okay, I won't vote then.
I just vote.
Yeah, don't vote him. Vote me only. And
Skip, arriba, diba, bis.
vote for me.
Welcome to Style Showdown. As you all know, my name is Lana, and I'll be your host.